I mean, SPY's got a look here for sure. Right, next target's 393, so you get a really good risk reward ratio. Risking 30 cents to make $1.20. It's very, very interesting. Be looking at the Jan 10th calls, probably well, 394s. Little inside bark here. So let's see how we react to if we can get towards these lows. Or if we can close as an inside bar, maybe. Okay. Ugh. Okay, still watching here, still watching. So much better second trade here on the SPY, right? Really strong breakout and looking for some good continuation. Decent volume profile, although not sort of that outlier. That's pretty hard to get on the SPY, but we got that increasing volume profile there. The normal body bullish candle as we made higher highs. Had a really good risk reward ratio up towards sort of that 393 area. We were getting kind of like 5, 6 to 1, something along those lines. So now just sort of inside this period, right? Waiting for that sort of perfect entry down towards sort of that 391.60 zone. If I can get an entry in that zone, then I've got, you know, maybe 8 to 1, 9 to 1 risk reward towards those highs and a much better or higher probability of becoming successful on this trade. So that's what I'm waiting for here in this context. And let's see if we can get it. Okay, so watch the reaction here, right? Watch the reaction here. Okay, guys, I'm in average price 112 on those 395 calls. Sorry, 394 calls. Okay, gonna look to take a little bit off here in a second, right? If I can get that like 125 area, that's gonna be my first profit target. We're really close. So we've been in this trade for about a minute and now already creeping up towards that first 10% take profit. At 10%, always take off about a quarter of my position and push my stop loss above my entry price. Okay, going to take some off here in a second, guys. 2 cents away. There we go. Okay, locked in some profit. Stop loss on my remainder is going to be at, we'll call it 115. Stop loss on my remainder now, 115. So I now pushed my stop loss above my entry price plus the spread. So making sure that if I do get stopped out with a market order, I am still getting stopped out above my entry price. Okay, see if it has a bit more legs here. See if it has a bit more legs. So pretty much a perfect entry here, right? Not spending any time in the red. We saw the nice little bounce back reaction here, like that tennis ball reaction from price action, and that was my entry trigger. So then now looking for a good continuation higher and a good setup. Come on, come on. Okay, looking good here, guys, right? See if this thing can give us some more continuation, breakout higher, but we've got that insurance here. Hopefully a few of you guys are in this as well. Good bounce back trade, right? Good bounce back trade. Not quite green here, right? We still got a little bit of work to do. Right? Not quite green on the day. Still got a little bit of work to do, but we're getting closer, right? So let's see if this thing can now make that pop through high a day and give us a little bit of follow through higher. Next top take profit target's going to be maybe like in the 130s if I can get there. Stop loss 115. All right, guys. Oh, still holding in. All right, I got filled on my stop loss protecting entry. All right, so a little bit off, right? I'll take it. Back in business. So not the best second trade of the day, but got a little bit back after that initial Tesla failure, right? The objective on this was to look for that trend continuation, but we didn't necessarily get that big pop. Probably a little bit of a lack of volume profile told us that there wasn't maybe that much follow through, but we got to that excellent entry protection mode and then didn't have to force anything else. So good second trade, good bounce back play, but maybe should have been looking for this trade earlier instead of looking for Tesla to the downside.